Hello guys. So if you're looking to recover deleted files from your Android device, so if that's the case, you're going to the right place. Because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, for this process, we will need to go to the Windows. Now, after coming on your Windows, just simply open a browser and search for a particular website, which is i2lab. Just simply search this. It's an application that will help you to recover deleted data from your phone. So it has a free version, but I would suggest you to get the paid version because it has much more features. Now, just simply download the application. Just simply click on the download button at the top corner and download it. Either you want to download the free version or the paid version, it's totally up to you. But in the paid version, you will have much more features. Now, after you've downloaded the application, just simply install the application. Then after the installation is complete, just simply click on start now. So after the installation is complete, just simply click on start now. Now give it a few seconds. Now this type panel will appear. Now over here, you will have three options to recover file from a device, from WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. So what we are going to choose is recover deleted data from device. So click on that. Now as you can see, it says our phone is not connected. Now for doing that, you have to enable USB debugging on your Android device. So let me show you how you can do that. So for doing that, firstly, what you have to do is just simply go to your device, then go to the settings of your device. After that, just simply search for USB debugging if your developer version is enabled. Now, just simply click on USB debugging after you have searched that. Now scroll down and over there you will find USB debugging option. Just enable that. Now, if a pop-up appears just like this, just simply wait for 10 seconds and check the box. Then hit OK. And now the USB debugging is enabled. Now again, in order to use USB debugging, you need to have enabled your developer option, which I have already made a video previously. So you can go out and check that. Now, after you have enabled your USB debugging, this type of option will appear in front of your screen. Now, firstly, after enabling USB debugging, make sure to connect your USB and your computer together. So you will have this option. So after that, just simply click on scan. Now it will take some time. So just be patient. Now after the scan is complete, as you can see over here, 66 data has been scanned completely. Now just simply hit OK and click on recover at the bottom right corner. Then again wait for a few seconds. So then as you can see, 55 data has been restored successfully. So again hit OK and it will open a folder in your computer. So open that folder and in that folder you will have all of the files that were deleted. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.